afternoon. It is part 8 of this series of installing the Thursday Aspen, the 16 by 35 fiberglass pool in our backyard. To show you kind of what went on, we got all the concrete poured. You can see this pathway I'm walking on right now. Got all the forms taken up. Looks good. Concrete did a really good job. I've got a couple of little concerns with some of the coping, and we put a couple of these umbrella things in here, and you guys can tell me, this one's in pretty crooked and not very well done there. This one looks a lot better. That's the way it should look. We'll talk to them about that. I'm sure they're going to fix it and do the right thing. I'll update you on that as soon as I know. I'm going to kind of take a tour around it. Obviously they hadn't got the pump put in and everything and hadn't got it circulating yet, so we're waiting on that. Hopefully that'll come tomorrow or the next day. There's the pad for the pavilion where we're going to put it. I'm really excited about that. And just take a little walk around and let you see how it's turning out. We're trying to decide whether to put a putting green on this end or down on that end. Not sure. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about it. Which end should we put it on? Got to get some landscaping done. That's coming up. That's probably the next thing. And get this thing cleared up and cleaned up. That's the next big thing. Again, I think they've done a good job on this install. I'm hoping they're going to do what they should do as far as some little issues with the coping. You can see like little chips right there. Maybe I'm being a little picky, but I mean, you pay this much for a pool, you want it to be done right. And I think they will. But I'll update on that. But I'm really pleased with the way this has turned out. But I'll call them in the morning, let them know what concerns are. We'll see how they deal with it. I hope they do the right thing. I think they will. They always have. Just a quick look. Again, I know the pool's dirty. That's going to get all cleaned up. We got to get everything going first. Get all the pump hooked up and all that kind of stuff. But this is the other area we were talking about putting the putting green. Just as you walk in, and we're talking about putting a little fire pit area back here. Of course, we may just end up sodding it all and pine straw, and I don't know. We got to see what it looks like when they get through grading everything. See, a lot of dirt over here has got to be moved. But again, they got all the concrete poured today. It looks really nice. Excited to start getting out here and enjoying it. Our lounge chairs came in today as far as the in-pool loungers. I'll show you those when we start putting things together, and then we'll go from there. But again, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you got any questions, post them. I'll try to help any way I can. And hopefully we're swimming in a few days.